Hi friends! Welcome to Little Looms. Today, we're going to learn how to make a sprite jump in Scratch. Let's start. First, we need a sprite. A sprite is our character. Click on Choose a Sprite and pick one. I'm choosing the cat. Now, let's make the sprite jump. Go to the yellow Events blocks. Find When, space, key pressed, and drag it to the middle. Now, let's make the sprite jump up. Go to the blue Motion blocks. Find Change Y by 10. Drag it under the yellow block. Change 10 to 50. Now, we need the sprite to come back down. Go to the orange Control blocks. Find Wait 0.5 seconds, and drag it under the blue block. This will make the sprite stay in the air for a bit. Go back to Motion blocks. Find Change Y by 10 again. Drag it under the Wait block. Change 10 to -50 to bring the sprite back down. Now, press the space bar on your keyboard. Watch your sprite jump up and come back down. You did it! You made your sprite jump. Try making it jump higher or lower by changing the numbers. Have fun and keep exploring. Thanks for watching Little Looms. See you next time. Bye.